Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. And in this video, I'm going to cover the Dash Mini Rice Cooker. Alright, the Dash Mini Rice Cooker. Taking a break from the usual coffee makers that I've been posting. And I like this little guy. This is pretty neat. This is good for singles, it's good for couples, even if you have small countertop space. And it's a 2-cup rice cooker, but that's the cooked result, that's the finished product. But you'll only be putting up to 1 cup of rice maximum. And I picked this up on Amazon for $22.29, and that's in mid-March of 2023. So that's the at time of recording price. It comes with this measuring cup, and this is what you're going to be using to measure the rice. And it also comes with this rice paddle as well, this little serving scoop. It's very easy to use as well. What we're going to do is we're going to be measuring 1 cup, put it right in the non-stick bowl, fill it up to the 1 cup level line. We're going to rinse the rice first. We want to really try to rinse it good. Fill it up to the 1 cup line and just hit start. And for this demo, I'm going to be using just regular extra long grain white rice. I'm also going to throw in some garlic and some lemon and a little butter. It's just a very simple, I guess, garlic lemon rice. I have a pork chop working in the oven, so this is going to be my dinner tonight after this demo. So we're just going to put approximately 1 cup. The camera stopped for some reason. I was saying, always use the cup that it comes with. Don't use any other cups, like don't use a regular standard US measuring cup or any other measuring cup, or else you're just not going to get the result you want. Pour that right into the bowl, and I'm going to go ahead and rinse it. Alright, that's rinsed well. Cold filtered water, and I went a little under the 1 cup line because this is the 3rd time I'm using this, and I don't know if it's this specific brand of rice or if it's just the way this cooks, but the last time it came out a little overcooked, so I'm just going to put a little less water. So, cup of white rice, filled it just under the 1 cup water level. I'm going to put in a tablespoon of butter, 2 cloves of garlic, and I'm going to squeeze in half a lemon. Little trick is get a coffee filter, wrap the lemon in it, okay. And this is just one of the ways I do it. You could make it any way you want. Let's stir it up. Place the lid on top. There's a little steam hole. And the minute we plug it in, it's going to automatically go into its keep warm mode. It's a little word of caution I want to give. Notice that light just came on. And when it's done cooking, it's going to go back into the keep warm mode. In order to turn it off completely, you would have to unplug it. So I just want to make mention of that. And to turn it on, just simply press down on the lever. And we're going to time it. Okay, the rice is finished cooking. It's in its warm mode. That took approximately 43 minutes to complete. And one could argue, yeah, I could probably do it quicker on the stove. Why not just use a pot on the stove? True. But if you don't want to dirty a pot, it's a cute little alternative. I'm going to let it sit for a few, and then we'll see the result. All right, settle for 5 minutes. Let's see. So you're not going to get like burnt rice on the bottom, like with some other rice cookers you would get that. It would be crusty. Some people like that, some people don't, but you're not going to get that with this particular unit. Now let's see. Oh, that tastes great. Better than the last time. The last time was really overcooked, but now I'm going to keep it real on this channel. I'm going to follow the instructions, and however it comes out, it comes out. I don't know if that would be acceptable for some, but it works for me. Smells great. Tastes great. Once again, when it's complete, don't forget to unplug it because it's always going to stay in the keep warm mode. And another thing I forgot to mention, it comes in a bunch of colors. This is aqua. It comes in white, black, red, yellow. I even think I saw pink. And that's going to be the video, guys. Quick video. Yeah, I'm getting right into eating because it really smells good. But that's the video. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback. Please like the video, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff. I'm going to go ahead and enjoy my dinner, and I will catch you in my next one.